Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, the place where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, breaking down performance, design, and the true essence of two-wheeled machines. Today we have something truly special: Harley-Davidson's 2025 Softail Standard 114. A raw, stripped-down cruiser that takes the best of classic Harley heritage and injects it with serious modern muscle. The Softail lineup has been a defining part of Harley-Davidson's identity, and for 2025, the Softail Standard 114 gets even better. So, what makes this motorcycle stand out in a sea of cruisers? We're going to break down every detail: the design, the performance, the ride quality, and of course, whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Let's hit the throttle and dive right in. At the heart of the 2025 Softail Standard 114 is Harley's Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine. This powerhouse delivers 114 cubic inches, or 1,868 seek, of raw V-twin muscle. Harley-Davidson has refined this engine over the years, and in 2025, it feels more responsive than ever. It cranks out a solid 119 lb-5 torque at 3,000 RPM, meaning you get that instant surge of power right when you need it. One of the standout features of this engine is how it balances brute force with smooth delivery. The Milwaukee-Eight's counterbalancer reduces vibrations while still maintaining that signature Harley rumble. Throttle response is crisp, and Harley has fine-tuned the fuel mapping to provide a more linear power band, making it a blast to ride whether you're cruising city streets or taking on open highways. Harley has also improved cooling efficiency in 2025, keeping engine temperatures in check, even in stop-and-go traffic. This translates to better rider comfort, especially in warmer climates. And let's not forget the iconic Harley-Davidson sound: deep, throaty, and unmistakably American. The Softail Standard 114 is paired with a 6-speed cruise drive transmission. Shifts are smooth, with precise engagement and minimal effort needed on the clutch. The gearing is well spaced, allowing for a relaxed cruise in 6th gear, while still having plenty of low-end grunt for quick acceleration. When it comes to handling, the Softail chassis continues to impress. The hidden monoshock rear suspension keeps the classic hardtail look while delivering a comfortable and controlled ride. The 2025 model features slightly revised front-end geometry, improving stability while maintaining agility. With a lean angle of about 28.5 degrees, the Softail Standard 114 isn't a corner-carving machine, but it holds its own on sweeping turns. The 49mm telescopic front fork provides solid feedback, and the rear suspension does a great job of soaking up road imperfections. Braking is handled by a 4-piston caliper up front and a 2-piston setup at the rear. Harley has upgraded the braking system this year, providing better bite and improved ABS calibration. The result: confident stopping power that matches the bike's performance. Visually, the 2025 Softail Standard 114 is a stunner. It's a perfect blend of old-school Harley charm with modern refinements. The stripped-down, minimalist design means you get a true blank canvas for customization. The steel frame remains as sturdy as ever, and the polished finishes give the bike a premium feel. The tank is a classic teardrop shape, carrying just under 3.5 gallons of fuel, perfect for a cruiser of this nature. Harley offers a range of paint options, including vivid black as standard, with additional color choices available for an extra cost. The 19-inch front wheel and 16-inch rear give it a timeless bobber-inspired stance. LED lighting all around provides excellent visibility, while the compact digital gauge keeps things clean and uncluttered. The single-seat setup gives it an aggressive, solo rider look, though a passenger seat can be added as an accessory. The riding position is relaxed, with mid-mounted foot controls and wide handlebars giving that signature Harley feel. Long rides on the Softail Standard 114 are a breeze, thanks to well-balanced ergonomics. The seat seats at a comfortable 26.8 inches off the ground, making it accessible for riders of various heights. The handlebars are positioned just right, providing a relaxed posture without excessive strain on the wrists or shoulders. The suspension setup, while tuned for comfort, still provides enough feedback for an engaging ride. Potholes and road imperfections are absorbed well, though heavier riders may consider upgrading the rear shock for even better damping. Highway cruising is where this bike truly shines. The Milwaukee-Eight 114 hums along effortlessly at 70 to 80 mph, with minimal vibration and a comfortable throttle response. The bike remains planted, even at higher speeds, thanks to its well-balanced weight distribution. While the Softail Standard 114 stays true to its classic roots, it does incorporate some modern technology. The 2025 model includes Harley's updated rider assist features, including improved ABS, traction control, and selectable ride modes. The digital gauge, while compact, provides all necessary information at a glance: speed, fuel level, gear indicator, and even a trip meter. The LED lighting system is a welcomed feature, offering excellent illumination at night. Harley-Davidson's customization catalog allows riders to add various tech upgrades, including a Bluetooth-compatible infotainment system, navigation mounts, and performance tuners. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard 114 starts at around $15,999 for the base model. Of course, optional paint schemes, accessories, and performance upgrades can push that price higher. Compared to other cruisers in this category, the Softail Standard 114 offers a solid balance of performance, style, and customization potential. While it may not be the cheapest option in its class, it carries that undeniable Harley-Davidson brand legacy, something many riders are willing to pay a premium for. The steel frame remains as sturdy as ever, and the polished finishes give the bike a premium feel. The tank is a classic teardrop shape, carrying just under 3.5 gallons of fuel, perfect for a cruiser of this nature. Harley offers a range of paint options, including vivid black as standard, with additional color choices available for an extra cost. So, is the 2025 Harley-Davidson Softail Standard 114 worth it? If you're looking for a raw, stripped-down cruiser with a powerful Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, a timeless design, and endless customization potential, then absolutely. This bike delivers an authentic Harley experience: big torque, a commanding presence, and a ride that feels just right. It's perfect for riders who want a minimalist cruiser with a punch, whether you're an experienced Harley enthusiast or someone looking to enter the world of heavyweight cruisers. That being said, if you're after a more touring-focused ride or something with advanced comfort features, you might want to check out Harley's larger Softail models or even the Grand American Touring lineup. At the end of the day, the Softail Standard 114 is all about freedom. It's about the road, the rumble, and the raw power that only a Harley-Davidson can provide. What do you think? Would you take the 2025 Softail Standard 114 for a ride? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. This is Bike Culture Hub signing off. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the next one.